Dito na yung cellphone ni Bibi. Look ko, parang totoo. Rechargeable din siya. Type-C yung charger. So, i-on natin. Yan. Ito yung mga functions niya. Ito yung nursery rhymes. Traffic regulations. English jokes.
A beautiful young
Digits, counting.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Meron ding music. May story time. May food. Ito yung letters.
B, C, D, E.
Different vehicle and sounds, formula sheet.
1 plus 1 equals
2.
1.
ABC songs. Animals and voices.
Rabbit.
Oops.
Up.
Meron din ditong magic sounds. Hello? Hi, baby! So, ayan po, kinukuha niya na yung cellphone niya.